Okay. Till now, you guys have learned only about pages. Pages, menu, theme, customize. This is what you have learned. And pages are related to a normal website or a service-oriented website. Whenever you would like to create service-oriented or a normal website, we will be creating pages. But in case you want to create a website like NDTV, now if you observe NDTV's website, NDTV website is they're not providing some home page about this page. They're not providing any services. Are they providing any services to us? No, they're not providing any thinking services or any yoga services or any digital marketing services. No, they are not providing any services over here. They are just providing us information. Some information regarding what all the topics are trending in India and outside India, what all the topics are trending regarding those topics. They have written some content. So these kind of websites are known as blogging websites. So how to write blogs and how to convert your website into a blogging website is what we will be learning in today's class. So whenever you are creating normal website, you have to add pages. But whenever you are creating blogging website, you have to add post. See, for us, we differentiate pages, posts, products, we differentiate each and everything. But Google and all, for Google, everything is content only, guys. Pages is content, post is content, product is also content. But we are the ones who differentiate it. So whenever you are creating a blogging website, you have to add posts in your website. Don't go to pages and don't add pages, home, about us, how you have added. Don't add like that. That is completely wrong. So now what you need to do is, I'll just log into the website first. Then don't search for the pages. Pages part, we have done pages part. Now we need to only concentrate on the post part. You can call it as post, you can call it as blog, whatever you would like to call, you can just call it that. So I'm logging into my website. The moment I log into my website, my dashboard appears. Then don't go to the pages. Then go to the post over here. And under post, you have to click on add new. For same thing we are doing for pages also, no? Pages and then add new. For plugins also plugins and then add new. For themes also themes and then add new. Same like that, post and then add new. Then once you click on add new, you have to write some content regarding whichever topic you are interested in. Like you are interested in technology, you are interested in travel, food, whatever it is. You have to write that particular topics over here. Like how NDTV has written so many blogs and all. You have to do the same thing over here. So how to write the blogs we will learn. Then we will add those blogs to our website. Now you can see they are asking add title. Same like page only, they are asking us over here also to add the title. So I have to add the title, but don't add your pages titles. How you add titles for pages, home, about us, don't add like that. You have to add a proper title. Now let's assume I want to talk about tourist places in Hyderabad because I want to write content regarding something which I know already, right? So I want to write about tourist places in Hyderabad. See, I'm choosing this topic because it looks attractive, but you can choose. Now you have created hospital websites, right? So regarding hospitals, regarding anything, you can add your own content. This is just because tourist places will have good images and all. That is the only reason I'm choosing this topic. So I'm going to write a blog about tourist places in Hyderabad. This is my title of the blog. Generally, we will give title for our blogs, right? Now in NDTV also you have seen. Whatever the title you are able to see over here, that title I'm giving over there. So let us take the help of any of the website to add the content. Now I'm taking.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the difference between block and blocks?
Between block and blogs. Block is a plus symbol, no? That particular plus symbol. This symbol is a block.
Yeah,
Only this is block symbol, BLOCK, where you will be using to add the content. But blogs are nothing but complete content is known as a blog. Like every topic, every post is known as a blog. So blog is BLOCK is this thing, and whatever the content you add is blog. Okay. Now I want to say I'm taking the reference of Hyderabad tourism blog. You can add your own content also. Not you can, you have to add your own content, but as of now, I'm taking the content, guys. So now, here if you observe, they have mentioned something about Hyderabad. So I'm copying the content and I want to paste it in my website. But what did I tell you? Never ever paste the content directly into your website, right? Because if you observe over here, some bolds are there, italics are there. Sometimes links also will be there, which is again a concept of SEO, internal links, outbound links, backlinks. Those links also will be copied in your content. So what you need to do is you have to at least use Notepad, paste it in Notepad, then copy from Notepad and paste it in your website. That is one way. Now, one more way is pinning the content. There is a tool called Spinboard, guys. In case you are in hurry and you don't have any chance of writing original content and somehow you want to copy the content from somebody else's website, then spin that content. What is the meaning of spinning? Spinning is nothing but twisting and all, right? So just copy the content from someone else's website, then go to the tool called spinboard.info. There are so many spinboard tools, you can use anything, but I'm much more comfortable with this because the interface is really clean and neat. But whichever you would like to use, you can use. Then paste the content over here. From whosever websites you're copying the content, paste the content over here. Then once you paste the content over here, click on spin. Click on spin. Then just observe, rewritten text is appearing to us. The same thing, guys. Here, the Pearl City, Hyderabad, with its unmatched blend of history and modernity. See what is happening over here. The Pearl City, Hyderabad, with its unequal blend of records and modernity. What is happening over here? Words are changing, letters are changing, formation of sentence is changing, but the meaning of the complete paragraph remains the same. So whenever you're copying the content from someone's website, do not copy the content directly. By any chance, if you want to copy, first of all, never ever copy. If you are copying, don't copy directly. Use Spinboard, spin the content over there, then copy the content from here and paste it in your website. Because what happens is, if you are copying the content from someone's website directly, when Google comes to your website to collect the information of your website, Google will think it has already collected this website's information. It has already collected this website's information, right? That is the reason it is appearing on Google over here. So Google already knows the information of this website and you're also copying the same content of that particular website. So Google thinks, why should I collect the information of your website? Because it has already collected the same information again. Why to waste the time? So Google will not collect the information of your website at that time. And your website will not even appear on Google. So that is the reason use Pinboard. At least you'll be having high chances that Google might be collecting the web details of your website. So never ever copy directly, use Pinboard and paste it in your website. Now copy the content from here. Whatever the rewritten text you have, that text you have to copy from here and then paste it in your website. Whether it
Ma'am,
is, yes.
if you use this, is this like plagiarism free or copied content? If you use Spinboard tool,
Obviously, it is not original content. Still, it is a copied content only.
but it won't work out in content writing kind of jobs, right?
No. Still, it is copied content only, no, Pavitra? You are just twisting it. Because
Ma'am,
like you,
suppose it.
so many people will be copying the content. Like you, so many people will be spinning the content. Then if someone, see, Hyderabad tourism is a very famous website, you might be spinning the content. Like you, some thousands of people also might be spinning the same content. Again, same content will be there in everybody's website. So it is like a copied content itself, but it is little bit better than copied content. That is what I can tell you.
If we want to give original content, then we should write by our own.
Yeah,
Like,
that is
if
for
you
sure.
want to check plagiarism and all.
You can check, no? There are a number of tools where you can check. It should not be more than 11% actually.
Ma'am, suppose it is an links is there.
Hmm.
That links also remove.
Yes, if this tool links, polls, everything will be removed. You need not go to Notepad now. Okay. Now I have mentioned something about Hyderabad. Now I want to describe one by one tourist places I want to describe. So first I have given a title called Charminar. Wherever you would like to place it, you can just place it over there, guys. But again, all these things you can do it advanced WordPress websites. But in case you want to explore, you can just explore. Bolds, italics, all those things you can get. Now I want to upload an image of Charminar. I already have the images, guys, but you guys just try to copy from Google, then upload. You can drag and drop. This thing we have already discussed, right? Just drag and drop and add the image. Then again, I would like to describe something about Charminar. So again, I'm selecting a block called paragraph. Again, I'm taking the help of this website. Copy the content. Go to Spinboard again. Click on Try New Document. Then again, paste the content. If you want to paste some more content, you can also paste. Okay. Now again, click on the same thing, the same process. Click on Spin, and the content will be spinned. The same content, the meaning remains the same, but the words will be changing. That's it. Then again, paste the content over here. Done. Then again, I would like to describe about some other place. Which place shall we describe about? Charminar is done.
Birla Mandir.
I have the image of Birla. So let's describe about Birla Mandir. Again, choose heading, guys. Whenever you are giving headings, you have to choose headings. Don't give the headings directly. Otherwise, it will look like a normal text. Choose heading block, then only mention the heading. Then again, you have to upload the images. Again, write some content. Searching for images is a very big task. Hey, I have Birla Mandir image. Just give me a minute, guys. Upload the image, then again click on enter, then again choose the block symbol, same process again and again choose it. Then whatever the content you would like to add, just go to the Spinboard, fill the content and paste it in your website. As of now, I'm not using this, but you guys use Spinboard. I'm directly pasting. Then again, regarding one more place we will discuss. Again, heading. One more place. What place? I have Ramoji Film City photo, so let's go with Ramoji Film City. It's good to upload image for everything, guys. Upload images. I mean, to be honest, Google does not understand images, no matter how beautiful images you add in your website. Google only understand the text. But because blogs are for the users, it's better you add very beautiful, lengthy content should be there, and images also should be really good. And whenever you are writing content, whether it is the content of pages or products or posts, try to add more and more content in your website, guys. Lots of content you need to add. Lengthy content. To be honest, Google asked me to write 4,000 to 5,000 characters for every page and post. But obviously, it's not possible for a normal human being, but at least try to write 800 characters or 1,000 characters. If you add more and more content, there is a high chance that your website will be appearing on Google, because Google gives preference to lengthy content. So try to add more and more content in your websites.
Per blog 800, no? 800 to
For
1000.
everything, whether it is page, blog, wherever it is, try to add lengthy content. I will show you some of the websites. Just observe those websites. Those websites are not at all attractive, guys. Not at all attractive, but content will be there in those websites. Complete content will be there in those websites. I'll show you some of the websites. I think this one. Just observe those websites. Very basic website, but everywhere content will be there. These websites are not that attractive and all. Very basic websites, but lots and lots of content will be there in this website. So try to add more and more content. That will help you to rank on Google. Then this website also. Most of the students, what they think is, if they create a beautiful website, attractive website, that is really good, they think. But no, more than attractive website, even if it is a basic website, if you are adding very good content, then that will help you a lot to rank on Google. So remember this point. Content will help you to rank on Google. So I have added a blog over here, guys. Blog is nothing but just adding content regarding some topic is known as a blog. So we have added some blog over here. Now, after adding a blog, that means after adding content, until here anybody can do. If I ask you to write some topic regarding some topic, if I ask you to add some information, you guys also will add some information. Anybody can do until this part. Once you have written a blog, what you need to remember is while you are creating blogs and while you are creating a blogging website, there are two things which you need to remember. Otherwise, it is not called as a blog. This thing will not have any value if you don't do those two things which I'm going to tell you now. So once you write a blog, you have to link your blog to a particular category. Every blog of yours should be linked to a particular category. What is a category? Now I'm writing a tourist places in Hyderabad blog. So that should be linked to a travel category or any other category, whichever is suitable. You are writing about Yashoda hospitals, then it should be linked to a health category. You are writing about some sports, some Asia Cup, India versus Sri Lanka, India versus Pakistan, you are writing. Then it should be linked to a sports category. So every blog of yours should be linked to a particular category. That is the first step which you need to remember. Whatever the content I have added until now, anybody can do that. But after that, you have to remember these two steps. First is category, then the second is featured image. What is the meaning of featured image? Featured image is nothing but thumbnail, guys. The thumbnail of your videos. Generally on YouTube, we give thumbnails, right? On YouTube, we give thumbnails. And for blogs also, we can give the thumbnails. On YouTube, how does it appear? Like normally video, that image appears to you at the top, and based on that image, you will decide whether to watch that video or not, isn't it? So same like that, for your blogs also, you need to give thumbnails. In YouTube, they call it as thumbnail. In blog, we call it as featured image. That's it. So for every blog of yours, you have to give some image. That is known as featured image. So these two things we need to keep it in mind whenever we are creating blogs. So once you have added the content, on the right side, what did I tell you? Sometimes this will not appear, I told you. Then what you need to do, guys? Anybody remember if that is not appearing on the right side? See, now it is not appearing. What should I do? I have told you in day before yesterday's class, I guess. Do you guys remember?
Click on the settings, ma'am.
Yes. Click all the settings, then it will appear to you. Now here there is an option called categories, guys. Under post, there is an option called categories. Go to the categories option and link every blog of yours to a category. And one blog can be linked to n number of categories. Now, yesterday India versus Sri Lanka was there, I guess. So it is a sports thing, right? It was a cricket match. So it is related to sports category. But it is live thing, right? It just happened yesterday. It is just happening today. That means it is also news. It is a news and it is also sports. So those kind of content, what you can do is you can link it to sports category and you can also link it to news category. So one blog of yours can be linked to n number of categories. Don't think one blog should be linked to only one category. No, it can be linked to a number of categories. So how to link a blog to a particular category? You have to click on add new category over here. Click on add new category. Then give your category name. I want to link this blog to travel category. So I'm clicking on travel, then click on add new category. Now this blog of mine is linked to travel category. So our first important step is done. We have linked our blog to category. Then at the bottom, you will be finding featured image. That means the thumbnail of your blog. Whichever image appears to your users before clicking on the blog, that image is known as a thumbnail. So you have to give the featured image over here. Whichever featured image you would like to give, you can just give that featured image. Then click on set featured image. That's it. Now I have given my featured image and I have also given my category. This is how you need to write blogs, right, guys? Anybody can add the content. If someone, if someone is interested in adding content originally, they will be able to add the content. And if someone is unable to do it, they can even copy the content and they can add the content. So anybody can add the content. That is not a problem. But people will be forgetting these two steps, that is linking it to a category and setting up a featured image. If you remember these two steps, then you know how to create a blog. So once your blog has been created, click on publish button over here. So this is how you need to write blogs in your website. Whatever the format I have used now, in the same way you have to write blogs. Any doubts in how to write a blog, guys? How to write a blog in the website? Any doubts in this part, Lakshmi?
No, ma'am.
It's clear, right?
Yes.
Pavitra?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Lokesh, it's clear for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's go back. Because to not waste the time, I have already added few blogs in my website and I have just told you how to add a blog once. So this thing we have done today and these things I have added yesterday and I have kept it, guys, because I want to convert the website into a blogging website. Now, if you observe over here, our every blog is linked to a category, but for these blogs, I have not given categories. I thought of doing in class. So let us give categories for all these blogs. So just observe here, I have added some content regarding resorts in Hyderabad. Then I have set up a featured image. Then I have to link it to some of the category. Which category will resorts be linked to, guys? Any
Travel,
idea?
travel, and
Travel.
food.
Hotel.
Food also, no? Yeah. So you can link it to one more category called food also. Then again click on add new category. Done. Then click on, so it has been linked to two categories. Then click on update button and then go back. Let's do for the other few blogs also. This is regarding some sports. I have added some irrelevant image, guys. I don't have now India versus Pakistan image. So add new category. Then I'm linking it to sports category. And you can also link it to news category because it was just one day ago or something. And I have given some featured image. That featured image is also irrelevant. Please don't mind, but yeah, I have added some featured image. Then again, click on update button and go back. Again, regarding COVID cases in Hyderabad. Again, the same process. Some featured image I have given. Then I have to link it to news because it's like news. And also I want to link it to a health related category. Then add new category. News and health. That's it. Then click on update button and go back to your WordPress icon. So this is how you need to write blogs in your website. At least write 5 blogs, right, guys? If you write one blog, you cannot create complete blogging website. You need to have one blog only will appear in the complete page, then it will not look good. So at least write 5 blogs so that you can create a proper blogging website. That is the reason I have created few blogs and kept. This is the default WordPress blog. If you want to trash it, you can just trash it. That is not created by us. It will be created by WordPress. So how many blogs we have in our website? We have around 4 blogs in our website. Now we have added blogs in our website. Can anyone tell me what should I do so that it appears to my audience? Now this is my website. Yes, Pavitra, what should I do so that it appears to my audience? We have created blogs. Where will my blogs appear? Lokesh, any idea? Where will my blogs appear? We have added blogs, that is post or blogs, guys. We have added it and we have also clicked on update button. We have also given categories, everything. Where will it appear?
Again, we have to go to appearance.
Exactly correct. Again, you have to go to appearance and then menu and arrange them in the menu. Now all my pages are added. But now what should I add, guys? Should I add post or what should I do? Yes?
Post.
Okay.
Post, post.
Okay, everybody is telling post, so I'll add post.
No, ma'am, categories. You have to add categories. No. Category wise, you have to add, ma'am.
Who is telling this answer?
Lakshmi.
Correct. Okay. But first, let us add post Lakshmi, then we'll move on to that. Whatever you told is perfect, but let us start sequence first. So first, let me add all the post, because at first you guys have told that only, no? So let me, whatever you told first, let me go with that. So I have added all my posts to the menu, first, second, third, fourth, and I want contact us over here. So that's it, guys. I have added all my posts to the menu. Then click on save menu. Then go to the new tab and click on refresh your site. Now observe what is happening. You guys have written 2 blogs, 4 blogs in your website. Even now it is messy, little bit messy only, even for a 4th blog. See, we have written 4 blogs in our website. But think about websites like MDTV. They write some thousands of blogs in their website, some thousands of blogs each and every day. Is it possible to add all the 1000 blogs to the menu? Is it possible? You can add it, but complete page only will be occupied by menu, na? So you should never ever add post to the menu, guys. Never ever add post to the menu. You guys might have added only one post in your website, but think in a broader manner. Think about websites like NDTV or any other blogging website. These guys will have some thousands of blogs, and all the 1000 blogs you can't add it to the menu. That is the reason we are linking every blog to a category, so that we can add categories to the menu. So this is whatever we have done. This is completely wrong. Just go to the menu and remove all the posts from the menu. Is it clear, guys, until here, why you should not add posts to the menu? Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Lokesh, yeah. So I'm removing all the blocks, guys. Don't go to the post and don't delete the post. If you delete permanently, it will be deleted. Just remove it from the menu. Just click on it and remove it from the menu. So instead of adding the post to the menu, we have to add categories to the menu. Click on categories, and what all categories we have added, all those categories are appearing to us over here. So now add them to the menu. So what I'll be doing is I'll remove and keep this contact us page at the bottom, and that's it. Then click on save menu. Then go to your website and refresh it. Now it is looking little bit good, isn't it? Before it was little bit messy. Now it is looking good, little bit good. The moment I click on travel, all the travel related blogs will appear. See, tourist places in Hyderabad, my thumbnail is appearing. Then if I click on read more, my complete blog also will appear. Complete blog, whatever we have written, that blog is appearing to me. Then this is about tourist places in Hyderabad, right? Then again, we have written one more blog also. Resort also we have linked to tourist only, right? So resorts blog is also appearing to us over here. So just observe, guys, these are the thumbnails of our blogs. Then again, every resort which I have described is appearing. Then again, if you want to read news related blogs, you have to click on news. If you want to read food related blogs, you have to click on food. Why the resort blog is appearing in food and it is also appearing in travel? Why it is happening? In both the places it is appearing, isn't it? Here also it is appearing and here also it is appearing. Why is
Ma'am,
that?
we are selected 2 categories, no ma'am, travel and food.
Yeah, because you have selected 2 categories, in travel and food also it is appearing. Again, if you go to sports, only sports related blogs. Again, health, if you go to health, only health related blogs will appear. So everything is perfect. But now my question is, if it is a small website, you will be having few categories, guys. Like maybe 5 categories, 7 categories, something like that. But NDTV and all, not only NDTV, any other blogging website who are just into blogging, these guys will have so many categories. So many categories these guys will be having. So all the categories you cannot add it to the menu also. Whatever you have done, this is perfect. First thing was wrong. Adding post to the menu was completely a blunder. But this is correct. Adding categories to the menu is perfectly correct. But what I want to do is, I want to create some XYZ page. I want to create some XYZ page, and I want to add these categories as a sub pages under that XYZ page. Like let's assume I want to create a blog page, like how we have created courses, and under courses we are providing SEO Google Ads, right? So what I want to do over here is I want to create a page called blog, and under blog I want to add these categories as a sub pages. We can do that, right? We can do that. When we are adding categories as a normal thing, why can't we add categories as a sub pages? So what I will be doing over here is I will be going to the pages guys, not post. I will be going to the pages and I will create a new page called blog. I am naming it as blog. You can name it whatever you would like to name it. You can just name it according to your wish. So I have named this page as blog page. Then click on publish button. Once you have added this page, obviously it is not going to appear in the menu. It's your responsibility to add it to the menu. So again, go to the menu and here you can see blog page is there. Just add that particular page to the menu. Now what I will be doing is I will add blog over here. Then all the categories, I will mark them as the sub items because I don't want all my categories to appear directly in the menu. I want them to appear as a sub pages or sub items. So that is why I have created a blog page called blog. I cannot add my categories as sub items under contact us page. No? It will not look good. That is the reason I have created one more page called blog. Whatever name you would like to give, you can give. But because it is a blogging website, I have given it as blog. Then click on save menu over here. Then go to the new tab and again click on the refresh button. Now see how clean and neat it appears. Completely everything is clean and neat. Now the moment you click on travel related blogs appear. You click on news related blogs. You click on food related blogs. Same thing for sports and health. But my question is, when I'm clicking on all these pages, whatever the blogs related to that category, all the blogs are appearing to us. But if I'm clicking on blog page, my blog page is empty. How do I solve this problem? It should not be like that now. If courses is there, courses page also should have some content, then all these pages also should have some content. Here all our categories have content, but our blog page does not have any content. Obviously, we have not added content, that is correct. But is there any way for us to solve this problem? Yes, guys, just think. I told you something. I think Lakshmi has asked me this doubt yesterday or day before yesterday, I don't remember. Like something you have asked me. If you remember, then you will understand. You have asked me something regarding some option, like how to use that. You asked me. Then I told we will be using that in blogging website. When I'm teaching blogging website, I told I'm going to tell you that. You remember? Any guesses, guys, how to solve this problem? My blog page is empty. I want all my blogs, irrespective of the categories, to be present in my blog page. Now I have given you a hint. When I'm clicking on travel, only travel blogs are appearing. When I'm clicking on food, only food blogs are appearing. But irrespective of the categories, what all the blogs we have in our website, I want all my blogs to appear under the blog page. What can I do? Yes, Pavitra? Any idea?
Any like code, ma'am? Short code like that?
No coding. Go to the home page settings.
Yes.
Do you remember under home page settings, one option we have left that option, and I told you that option is used in blogging website?
No. Actually, Pavitra asked one that question.
Okay. So do you remember that
Yes.
point, guys? We have left one option under blog page,
Yes.
under home page settings. There you have to go. Are you there, Lokesh? Are you understanding?
That's all.
Yeah. Now let's go to the customize option. And once you go to the customize option, we have used, for a normal website, we have used a static page. Then under homepage, I want to show all my homepage content, all these things we have selected. But now I need to use the option called post page. Just go to homepage settings. There is an option called post page. This was the option which we didn't use that day. And I told you whenever we create blogs, we will be using this option. Post is nothing but blogs, guys. I'm calling it as blog. They are calling it as post. That is the only difference. Now they are asking, where do you want to show all your posts? They are asking. I am telling I want to show all my posts in the blog page of my website. It's up to you. You can also show in the about us page, but why will you show in the about us page? There is no point in showing in the about us page. Na? In about us page, proper content should be there. See, in the about us page also you can show, or in any other page also you can show. But I have created specially blog page to show all my posts in that. So what I'm selecting, blog page I'm selecting. So irrespective of the categories, irrespective of the categories. See, the sports blog, the resort blog, the travel blog, the COVID blog, irrespective of the categories, all my blogs will be appearing in the blog page. This is a very important option which you need to use while creating a blogging, while adding blogs into your website. This is how you need to add blogs into a normal website. The complete content is regarding digital marketing and everything else. So in a digital marketing website or in a service oriented or a normal website, we have added blogs. And whenever you are adding blogs in a service oriented website, try to add the blogs regarding your service only. You are providing digital marketing services and you are adding blogs regarding travel. It does not make sense. So add the content regarding digital marketing itself. Just to look attractive, I have taken these blogs. Any doubts until this part, guys? How to add blogs into a normal or a service oriented website? Any doubts until this part?
No, ma'am.
Lakshmi, Pavitra?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us convert our complete website into a blogging website. It is not a blogging website, right? Is it a blogging website? No. Complete digital marketing content is there. Widgets are there. Footer is there. Images. Complete text is there over here. So I don't want anything related to my service to be present in my website. I want my complete website to be a blogging website. Only blogs should be there in my website. Nothing related to digital marketing, nothing related to services. So what can I do for that? What you need to do is, first go to the WordPress dashboard. Then what all the pages or pages are there related to your service oriented website. Remove all the pages from the menu. Just concentrate this part, guys. I'm converting my complete website into a blogging website. In the first step, we have learned how to add blogs to a normal website. Now we are learning how to create a complete website, how to create a complete blogging website. That is the difference. So I'm only adding blogs and I'm removing all the pages related to my service oriented website. And if you want to delete all the widgets also, because widgets are also related to marketing, right? So you can just go to the widgets and you can just delete all the widgets. Let me click on save menu. Then you can go to the widgets over here. Then you can remove all the widgets from the menu. Let me remove these widgets. Otherwise, if you would like to keep it, you can keep it. Again, it is related to my service. That is the reason I'm deleting. Complete delete everything, guys. Everything. Delete in a sense, I'm asking you to just remove it from the menu. Don't delete the pages directly. Maybe you may need it whenever you want to create a service website again. Widgets, I'm deleting. So that's it. Then click on update button. Now see how is your website going to appear. Now I'm opening the website on a new tab. Only posts are there in my menu, right? If you observe menu, only posts are there in our menu. Sorry, categories are there in our menu. So now I'm opening my website into a new tab. Now, once I open my website into a new tab, what is the problem over here, guys? What problem is occurring? Lokesh, what is the problem? What is the
And the
problem?
home page is the what is it?
Okay, what is the problem, Lakshmi?
There is a home page.
Though we have deleted, that means though we have removed our home content, still our home page is only appearing, right? The moment I open my website, still my home content is only appearing. I said I don't want anything related to digital marketing to appear in my blogging website, but still something related to digital marketing is appearing the moment
You
my
have
website
to
gets loaded. You have to.
you have to clear it from the appearance of.
I have removed
No,
it from
ma'am,
appearance.
we have to change the home page settings.
Correct. You have to change the home page settings. Who told this answer?
Yeah, Lakshmi.
You have to change the home page settings. Why should I change the home page settings, Lakshmi?
Because that static page is a home page. No,
Now from static page to what should I use there? What should I choose?
post, blog or
Latest blog. That is what you're telling, right?
latest blog. Yeah.
Yeah. So again, whatever Lakshmi told is correct, right? Though I have removed the home content from my menu, still it is appearing once my website gets loaded. So what do I need to do over here? I need to go to my customize option again, and then again you have to go to the home page settings. And under home page settings, see clearly we only told now we are telling that show the home page once my website is loaded. That is the reason whatever the content is there in the home page, that content is appearing under the home page. So change it to your latest post. If it is a blogging website, you have to choose your latest post. If it is a service oriented website, then you have to choose a static page. Is it clear, guys? Lokesh, Pavitra, is it clear? If it is a blogging website, your latest post you need to select. Why am I telling you you have to select your latest post and why not a static page? Because whatever Lakshmi told is absolutely right. You are telling to WordPress that show home page once my website gets loaded. You are only telling to show the home page. If you select a static page, that option is only there. No? You are telling once the website is loaded, the home page content should appear to your audience. So it's your responsibility to change the settings from a static page to your latest post. Then only that home page will disappear. Now it is correct. Everything is perfect now. Your latest post. Now open the website on a new tab and check how it will appear. Now I'm again opening the website on a new tab. What is happening, guys? Is there any mistake over here or everything is correct? Just observe. The first problem, whatever was there, complete content related to our digital marketing, that problem is solved. So one problem is solved. Is there any other problem or everything is perfect? If you observe properly, then you will understand. Is there any other problem or is everything perfect? The moment my website gets loaded, all the blogs, irrespective of the categories, are appearing. But when I click on travel, only travel related blogs are appearing. Don't you think directly it should be redirected to the travel page of our website or travel category? Like when website gets loaded, something else is appearing. And when I click on travel, something else is appearing. Same thing in our service oriented website also, it happened in the same way, right? When your website gets loaded, some other content is appearing. And once you click on the home page of your website, your home page was empty. Do you guys remember this concept? Yes. Do you guys remember this class? When our website gets loaded, our content was appearing in the minimalist theme, guys, if you guys remember. And once I click on the home page of my theme, that is the home page of my menu, my home page was empty. Do you guys remember this? Nobody remember this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See what is happening. The moment I open the website on a new tab, every blog related to every other category is appearing. But the moment I click on travel related blogs are only appearing. Again, it is a very big problem over here. It should not happen like this. So to solve this problem, what I will be doing is I will be giving a custom link. This is a different concept, guys. Custom link. Maybe you guys have not come across this. There is a thing called custom link. Go to the custom links option, and here to solve that problem, what I will be doing is I have to take my complete website URL, take your website URL and paste it over here. Then for this URL, you have to give some name. If you would like to give the name as blog, you can give the name as blog. If you want to give the name as home, you can also give the name as home, guys. Whatever the name you would like to give that name and then add it to the menu. Now see what happens. Whatever the problems you were facing, all those problems will be solved. Now just click on save menu and open the website on a new tab. Now everything will be perfect. I'm opening the website on a new tab. And the moment I open my website in a new tab, my home page is there. And in my home page, everything related to each and every category, all my blogs are appearing. If I click on travel, only travel blog is appearing. If I click on news, only news blog will appear. Same thing for sports, health, food also. But what is happening in the home page? Irrespective of the categories, all my blogs are appearing under the home page. So this was the problem. Once my website gets loaded, all the blogs were appearing. But if I click on travel, travel related blogs were appearing. It should not happen like that. Directly, it should take me to some page of my website. So what did I do? I have given a custom link over here. How to give the custom links? Just click on custom links, copy your website URL, then give some link text. Link text in the sense, whatever the name you would like to give for that link, you have to give some name like blog, home, whatever you like to give that. Then click on save menu. That's it. Now, this is how you need to convert your website into a blogging website. This is how you need to create a blogging website, guys. Is it clear how to create a blogging website? See, if I click on home, all the blogs are appearing. If I click on travel, only travel related blogs are appearing, and everything, so on for all the categories. Is it clear, guys, how to create a blogging website? What was the difference between the first part which we have done and what is the difference over here? Lokesh, can you please tell me what is the difference? In normal website, we have added blogs. And what is the difference between these two things? The first part of our class and second part of our class? What is the difference, guys? Yes, Lakshmi?
And home page, it is an irrespective of the blocks is appearing, ma'am.
Huh.
Now it category based blocks.
Okay, but what I'm asking is, in the starting of the class, what did you learn? And just now, what did you learn? What is the difference? What is the difference?
Here the categories arranged in a menu.
Oh, there also we have arranged the categories, no? But what is the difference? Guys, in the starting of the class, we have added blocks to a service-oriented website. And now we have created a complete blogging website. I will change the theme and I'll show it to you for your better understanding. Let me delete all the plugins. Then you will understand properly. Let me delete it. Live chat. Okay, we have deleted it, right? So let us refresh. Now this is Education Hub theme, guys. Obviously in Education Hub theme, your blogs will not look like a blogging website. So let me go to the themes and change it to a blogging website theme. Just click on add new over here and then search for a theme called Newsway. If you search for Newsway, all the blogs related to all the themes related to blogs will appear, guys. Whichever theme you would like to choose, you can choose that theme. See, all these are blogging website themes. Whichever theme you would like to choose, you can just choose it. I'm installing and then activating this theme. Then open the website on a new tab and see the complete difference. Your website also will look like NATV. Your website also will look like some other blogging website. Maybe because we have chosen some education hub theme, then you guys might not have understood. But see, now it has become a complete blogging website. Now there are some other themes also. Very good themes are available, guys. Just click on add new. And once you click on add new, search for Newsway. Otherwise, you can search for blogging websites also, blogging themes. Then whichever theme you would like to activate, just activate that particular theme. Open the website on a new tab, click on refresh button, and you will find all the blogs. And your complete website will be a blogging website. Complete website is a blogging website. See, this thing, everything is by default. Everything is by default, and your blogs are appearing. Here also blogs are appearing. Then again, if you add some sidebar, then sidebar widgets will appear over here. Then all the blogs are appearing at the bottom. See, we guys have added only 4 blogs, guys. So obviously with the 4 blogs, it will appear like this. But if you have so many blogs in your website, then it will appear in a proper manner. And again, whichever theme you would like to choose, just choose that particular theme. Click on add new. And once you click on add new, search for Newsway. Once you search for Newsway, all the themes related to blogging website will appear to you. Whichever theme you are comfortable with, you can just take that theme. See, all these are blogging website themes only. Whichever theme you guys want to explore, you can just choose that particular theme. This is also, this is IT news graded since, let's see. Just activate the themes. You need not reset, just activate the themes. This is one more theme. This is also looking good. I can click on add new, whichever blogging theme you would like to take that particular blogging. At least add 5 blogs in your website, guys. Then only once you convert your website into a blogging website, then only it will appear properly. Otherwise, see, let's assume you have added only 1 or 2 blogs in your website. There is no point of creating a blogging website then. Nothing will appear. So that is the reason. At least add 5 blogs in your website. All these are blogging themes only. Whichever theme you would like to take, you can just take that particular theme. Then again, click on refresh button. This is some other theme. Add many blogs, then everything will be perfect. You are adding 1 or 2 blogs, then everything will not look good. So do this. Let me search like this.
Themes like this, ma'am.
Huh?
Without going to reset, can we change themes?
Yes,
like this?
yes. I'm not resetting. No, otherwise complete hard work will disappear. No, Pavitra. You can't. You should not reset. Don't reset. Just like this, try to. This is also looking good. Don't reset the website. Just remove the themes. Just activate one by one. Activate all the themes.
Ma'am, in one website, we can write a different category of the blogs we can write, ma'am.
Yes. So many category blogs you can write.
No, someone in search in Google travel blog, our website is appear or not?
It will appear. If you perform SEO, it will appear. If you perform SEO, then only it will appear. Otherwise, it will not appear. Just by website designing, nothing is going to happen, Lakshmi. You have to do marketing, you have to do SEO, Google Ads, then only it will appear on Google. Otherwise, it will not appear. How it will appear like that? I mean,
No, ma'am,
If it is irrelevant of niche, also it appears.
sorry, what, Pavitra?
If it is irrelevant of niche, also if we take like education or beauty, fashion, if they add these 3 in one website, will it be effective?
Don't do that. Don't do that. That is what I'm telling. If it is a service-oriented website, in the starting of the class, we have added blogs to a service-oriented website, right? To a digital marketing website, we have added blogs. Just because travel, tourist places, these things will look attractive, I have written those kind of blogs. But you are providing some service, your complete website is regarding interior designing, and you are writing a blog regarding travel. It does not make sense over there. So don't add those kind of blogs. If you are creating a complete blogging website, now this is a complete blogging website. Here you can add whatever content you would like to add. Here you can add that content. But same thing you cannot add in a service-oriented website. In a service-oriented website, always choose the topics which are related to your service and then write the blogs. Is it clear, guys? Now, we have a website called material.odmt.in. This is a blogging website, complete blogging website. And here we don't write anything regarding some other topics. We only write something regarding digital marketing only. Na? Why do I need to write about something else? Why should I write about travel, tourists, and all those things? This is completely only for the students we have created this. So here we are writing only content regarding digital marketing. But whereas if it is a service oriented thing, also same technique you need to follow. If you are providing some service, your complete website is a service oriented website. That is what I was asking you. What is the difference between what we have done in the starting of the class and what is the difference now? In the starting of the class, we have added content to a normal website, to a service oriented website, we have added blogs. But in the second part of the class, what we have done, We have converted our complete website into a blogging website. Whatever the pages, whatever the content regarding digital marketing was there, I have removed that content from the menu. I have deleted completely to convert my website into a blogging website. If you are creating pure a blogging website, then you can write any topic blog. But if you are adding blogs to a service oriented website of yours, then add blogs related to that service only. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, guys? Lakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
See, now this is one of my students' website. And it is a e-commerce website, guys, where they sell batteries and all. Now here, will it look good if I write about tourist places in Hyderabad? Yeah, will it look good? It is an e-commerce website where they sell these batteries. Here, can I write any random blog? Can I add any random blog to my website? No, I cannot do that. If you observe what blogs they have written blogs related to their discount battery, also automobile battery, it seems, some car battery. So related to your topic, you have to write the blogs if you are writing blog in an e-commerce website or a service-oriented website. If you're creating a brand new blogging website, then it's up to you. Whichever topic you would like to choose, you can choose. The NDTV is there. It is a complete blogging website. They write about sports, they write about some politics, they write about celebrities, they write about everything they write about. So if it is a complete blogging website, it's up to you. Whichever blog, irrespective of the category, if you would like to add, you can just do that. If it's a service-oriented website, then don't do that blunder. It will not look good. Someone might have visited your website just to purchase some batteries and all. Suddenly they have seen your blog page and there you are writing about some street food in Hyderabad. It will not look good. So don't do that. Is it clear, guys, how to add blogs to a normal website, that is a service-oriented website, and how to convert your complete website into a blogging website? Two things we have learned in today's class, if you guys have observed. Is it clear, Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshmi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So for today, what you guys need to do is 5 blogs are mandatory, guys. Because if you don't write blogs, then your website will not look like a blogging website. That is my point. Once you convert your website, it will look empty. I don't want that to happen. That is the reason I'm asking you to write at least 5 blogs. You are already you have created your service oriented websites, right? First thing, just practice how to add blogs to the service oriented website. That we have created blog page, then we have added our categories as a sub items and all. Then after that, convert your complete website from service oriented website to an blogging website. Choose any of the themes, guys, whichever theme of the blogging you would like to choose any of the theme, but convert your website into a blogging website and come for tomorrow's class. Is it clear, guys? Any topic, whichever topic, attractive topics you would like to choose, any topic, whichever you are interested in, write blogs, but link it to different categories. Don't link it to only one category. Again, that will be a problem. At least link it to 4 to 5 different categories and then come for tomorrow's class. I want you to practice first, add the blogs in a normal website. Now you guys have your websites, right? You have created service-oriented websites. To that website only add the blogs. Then after that, just convert that website into a blogging website and come for tomorrow's class. Give the custom links, everything you guys do. And for adding the content, you can use Spinboard, guys. As of now, no problem. But while doing SEO, it will not work. You have to add original content only. Just for practice, as of now, you can just add Spinboarded content. Use Spinboard and add the content and come for tomorrow's class. So at least 5 blogs in the website, guys. Remember this point. 5 blogs, convert the complete website into a blogging website and come. All right.